How to customize Slack notification. Slack doesn't have to shoot all the time. Learn how to fine tune your notification just the way you like. Here's how. Go to your profile. There you can see many options of notifications. Here you can see pause notifications. If you go on pause notification, the notification will be resumed after 30 minutes, 1 hour. You can even until next week. You can even customize your profile, your notification. Simply tap on OK. You have got an important meeting, so you'll be away from the phone for that time. So simply tap on save. Like this, you can customize the notification to mute. Over here, you can again get a notification settings where you can see on mobile notify me about all new messages, direct messages, and mentions and keywords, or nothing. Whichever you want, you can tap on it. Notify me on mobile. At what time do you want the notification to arrive? System option, you can even make it alert, sound, pop-up. You can change the notification sounds as well. Troubleshoot notifications, notification schedules. You can add your work time, when it starts and when it ends. Do you work 16 hours? No, right? 12 hours. So simply tap on your work starts from 10 a.m. and then it ends at 5. So you can customize and edit it like this.